Welcome back to MLO Study Queen. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to calculate the monthly interest on a mortgage loan. This is an important formula to understand because mortgage exam questions may give you a loan amount and an annual interest rate, then ask how much interest is charged for 1 month. Here is the formula. Loan principal multiplied by the annual interest rate divided by 12 equals the monthly interest. Before using the formula, remember that a percentage must be converted into a decimal. For example, 6% becomes 0.06. Now let's work through our first example. A borrower has a loan principal of $200,000 with an annual interest rate of 6%. First, multiply $200,000 by 0.06. That equals $12,000 in annual interest. Next, divide 12,000 by 12 months. The answer is $1,000. Therefore, the monthly interest on this loan is $1,000. Let's try another example. A borrower has a loan amount of $300,000 at an annual interest rate of 5%. First, convert 5% into a decimal. 5% becomes 0.05. Now multiply 300,000 by 0.05. That equals $15,000. Divide 15,000 by 12. The monthly interest is $1,250. Now, here is an important exam reminder. Monthly interest is not the same thing as the borrower's complete monthly mortgage payment. A full mortgage payment may include principal, interest, property taxes, homeowner's insurance, and possibly mortgage insurance or association fees. This formula calculates only the interest for 1 month based on the loan principal and annual interest rate provided in the question. Now let's test your knowledge. A borrower has a loan amount of $180,000 at an annual interest rate of 4%. What is the monthly interest? Is it A, $600, B, $720, C, $1,500, or D, $7,200? Pause the video and calculate your answer. Here is the solution. Multiply 180,000 by 0.04. That equals $7,200 in annual interest. Now divide 7,200 by 12. The correct answer is A, $600 per month. Remember the formula. Principal multiplied by the annual interest rate divided by 12 equals monthly interest. Follow MLO Study Queen for more mortgage math lessons, exam questions, and practice problems to help you prepare with confidence.